In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your Squarespace website, a feature that's excellent for engaging your visitors, whether you're announcing something special like a sale, or simply want to capture email addresses. This process will take around 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have a beautiful, functional pop-up ready to greet your website's visitors. Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button, typically located on the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Now you have a couple of options to log in, but for simplicity and ease, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This is particularly handy if your Squarespace account is linked to your Google account. So click on Continue with Google and then select your Google account from the list presented. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Squarespace dashboard. From here, you'll want to access the back end of your website. You can do this by clicking on the website you wish to edit from your dashboard. Once your site's management interface loads, look for the Pages section. This can usually be found on the left-hand side menu. Clicking on Pages will reveal various options for your website. But what we're interested in today is located under the Website Tools section. Navigate your cursor over and make that selection. In the Website Tools area, you'll see an option titled Promotional Pop-up. It's here where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new section specifically for managing pop-ups. The first thing you'll want to do in this new section is to turn on the display of your pop-up. There's usually a toggle switch that allows you to activate or deactivate it. Make sure it's turned on. After that, don't forget to hit the Save button, typically found on the top left corner, to ensure your changes are applied. Now for the creative part, you'll see an option to change layout. This is where you can select how your pop-up will look. Squarespace offers a variety of layouts, so feel free to choose one that fits the aesthetic of your site and the message you want to communicate. After choosing your layout, it's time to edit the content of your pop-up. This could involve adding text, changing fonts, or inserting links. Make it appealing and direct, ensuring your visitors understand the message or offer at first glance. Again, hit save once you're happy with your edits, and there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding a pop-up to your Squarespace site. Remember, pop-ups can be a powerful tool for interacting with your visitors, but use them wisely. You don't want to overwhelm your audience or deter them from enjoying your site. Experiment with different layouts and messages to see what works best for your goals. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps you add that extra layer of engagement to your Squarespace website. See you next time.